Hey, welcome back. My name is Dino. This video is titled Human-Centered Design Fundamentals. It's going to focus on three different human-centered design, HCD, fundamentals. First, customer point of view, POV. You want to see your product from your customer's point of view. To build products and services that users love, first you need to empathize with them. Here's a quote from product lead Peter Yang. The best way to build empathy for your customers is to make them an extension of your team. Recruit a few dozen customers who are a mix of beginner, intermediate, and advanced users to be in conversation. From this, you want to try to incorporate a broad array of your customers' POV to help create a product and to focus human-centered design. Second, product evolution. In a HCD process, teams keep key customer problems top of mind. This helps companies continuously improve product functionality, easing user pain points and enhancing the overall experience. As again, referencing again Peter Yang is another quote from him. Spend a day or even an hour using your product just like a customer would. So this is part of your design team. A lot of people skip this critical step and rush into coming up with a vision or solutions. You must resist this instinct. You want to try to improve your product with users' needs in mind. Finally, holistic solutions. Solve problems holistically. Like not just like very narrow, like try to incorporate a broad array of thoughts and factors when you're solving problems. Quote, the problems your users encounter may only be small pieces of a bigger puzzle. To solve the right problem, human-centered design teams drill down to the root cause. You want to look for the root cause or causes and try to implement holistic solutions to these problems. This will help, again, make your design process more human-centered. That was Human-Centered Design Fundamentals. My name is Dino. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like this video if you like it. Please feel free to comment on the content, whether that is the customer POV, product evaluation, or holistic solutions. Finally, if you like this type of video, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. As always, thanks for watching.